up in the spot. Pull up, we don't talk. You like it what you see? Everything is that's on me. That's why when I walk. Say, what am I missing? Seem like game on from a sugar daddy or drug dealer. Video at 1 a.m. because, you know, that's the adult thing to do, even though I got work tomorrow. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Dior, and I'm back with another video. I have finally am back with a video, and it's what I said I was gonna do a long time ago. It is for the Ipsy bag. So basically I started this subscription a couple months ago, but that didn't happen, as you can see. And I kind of had like just boxes. Like I actually have another box sitting right over there. I did not touch any of the products, so I just told myself that when I get my new bags, I would just go ahead and show basically like a little mini review for you guys. You know, that's what I'm good for. So I do have two different subscriptions with them. I have just the glam bag and the Glam bag plus. Excuse me. Usually what happens is they send you like a box. This is the Glam bag plus. It comes in a box. And then usually it comes with a card and it lets you know what you have. In this box, yep, this is the Glam bag plus. Reading is very fundamental. I have the regular Glam bag. This one, let's see. This just, I can't even pronounce these products. I'm sorry, y'all. I know that. I will just go ahead and link everything down below, and we'll just go ahead and go through the products. The Glam bag. Let's go over that one first. So in this one, there is a Oriza Beauty lipstick in Opus. Bear with me. I feel really uneducated right now. I'm so prepared, but look, hey, it's better late than never. So this is a lipstick, and this is what it looks like. I don't really wear lipsticks like that anymore. I like the packaging. It's pretty. I don't want to have to reapply it, and look at me dropping stuff. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna. I don't have it together like I thought I had it together. Okay, the second item on this list is the PIXI by PETRA. I'm trying to figure out where this product is, because from what I can see, it's supposed to be the lip gloss. It's supposed to be the lip gloss, because no, it's not. Item already. Me myself PIXI by PETRA. So, anyways, this it's just basically like an eyeshadow. It's just like a mineral eyeshadow. It's kind of shimmery. Over them, but you know, hey, it is what it is. Next item that we have here is a hand cream. So this is by Barefoot Venus, Wild Ginger Sweet Orange Mini Instant. Just keeping this by my hair, so I could just, you know, moisturize my hands. The Hemmet BIOLOGICS Almond and Olive Heavy Cream. And basically this is just like a hair cream. It's supposed to moisturize. Because I just, come on. There we go. I don't really like to mask, or I haven't really done. Actually, you know what? Just scratch that whole statement. Just scratch it all. Just scratch that whole statement. And then lastly, what we have is the Gigi Gorgeous Gigi Body Glow. However you pronounce the brand. I used it on me. I more so like to use it for work, or like on my skin to give me, like, you know, that glowy look. But this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and we can do a little swatch test, because I didn't look at it earlier. But it looks like have. It's always more liquidy. This one is more of like a thick consistency. Summer. Let me put this away. It's for the body, so I'm assuming they would make it more so to where it would cling more to your skin and it's not as easy to rub off. But I don't know if you guys can see that little. Ooh. And it's kind of thick. Let me see. It does leave a little bit of a color. Which, I mean, hey, it's like makeup. What do you expect it to do? That's what makeup does. It wouldn't be right if it didn't. But yeah, these are. I just like it a lot. Like me, I'm not balling right now. I mean, I'm balling on a budget. I love makeup, but unfortunately, I don't have money to always go out and buy all the new brands and everything that comes out. So with Ipsy, I feel like this allows me to stay up to date with makeup trends, as well as they send out the product to you. Okay, so we're gonna try to pronounce these words. This is what it looks like. This is the DOUCCE in black. I like the color. It's pretty. Let's see what the wand looks like. Wow. And this is what the wand looks like. It's a bit big. I've never understood why like makeup companies make the eyelash brush so big. I mean, I don't have super duper long eyelashes. And then the next item that long eyelashes like this, but is a different address than where I'm at. So I went to go get my stuff. I did try this little Dewy stick, and you can apply it under your makeup or on top of your makeup. It's just basically like, you know, one of them little Dewy sticks that everybody's making nowadays. But I did go ahead and try a little bit yesterday, and I was kind of like, it looked like y'all just today. And yeah, so let's do a little. Here's the top. And I mean, like, it's there, but it's just like, I have oily skin, y'all. Like, y'all could already see the oil forming on my face, and it's probably because it's light. But my face, like, literally, after I do my makeup, it starts to automatically produce oil. This, I'm not really sure if this is something that I'm going to be able to use because it feels oily. It feels like it has grease in it. Like, it just doesn't feel. It's slippery. And I don't know how I feel about that. I'm putting this on my face, but here it is right here on this side. And it's more of a silver undertone versus this one here, even though they kind of low-key look the same. Hydra Veil Primer. So I misread this. I really thought this was a moisturizer. Or I guess it can be. It's a hydrator and a primer, instantly moisturizing and smoothing your skin in one simple step. And it is a gel. Gels work well for me. I feel like I do like to use creams. Like I can use something heavy at night. Like I don't care because I do like to keep my skin moisturized. But as far as me putting on like certain creams in the morning, I will not do it because my skin later on will just it will look like you could fry an egg on my face. Okay, like you'll just look at me and be like, why? Like literally, y'all don't understand. Like. But anyways, this is the packaging, and I feel like I've never heard this brand. Elamas. Like it kind of reminds me of like, I don't know, but like I said, I will have it listed down below. This is what it looks like. I'm not really sure what this safe, but this is what it looks like. So if you're familiar with like jam, like the hair jam, that's kind of what it reminds me of the way like certain products smell. It smells so fresh. You guys like don't understand, and how much comes in here. This is 1 fluid ounce, so we'll see how long it lasts me. Y'all don't understand, like I was so behind on this, and I was gonna do the other ones, but it's just entirely too much stuff and not enough time in the world. So if I drop this card one more time. Okay, the next item is what it looks like. I'm gonna put a little bit on because my lips are actually a little dry, but I feel like it's this is what the wand looks like, so it's big. How do I feel about it? I feel like it's just a regular lip gloss. Like, I do feel like it does moisturize, which is always good. It kind of does have like a little frost to it. I'm not really a fan of frost lip glosses. Just out there. But overall, I mean, I like it. I mean, it's cool. Like, it gets the job done. You guys, my lips, it doesn't feel like I'm just putting something on my lips and it's not. And then lastly, we have the mirror. I do feel like it is. As you guys probably seen in my other videos, like I do suffer here and my skin is not completely clear, but I have been. But salicylic acid, maximum strength. I don't know. It's not like I doubt anybody's gonna watch this, but as I said before, I really do like the Ipsy subscription bags. Now this is the Glam Plus bag. Also, what I did not mention is that they do usually send you a little tiny bag as well. So I do actually have 2 bags as well that came with it. The Glam bag Plus that does come inside of a box, and then just the thing before comes inside of like a regular standard package. Like, you know, if you order, very affordable. All the money in the world yet. So very like for me being a makeup lover, I don't really have money to go out and buy new palettes all the time or spend $40 on a highlighter. I wish I could, but you know, I got priorities. But I feel like it's a great way, like, you know, to build up your makeup collection if you don't really want to go out and have to look through everything. And it's good quality. It's not really, it's Alright, well, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. That basically just sums up our video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Also, I know I have not talked about this. I still don't plan on doing a giveaway. I'm at 35 subscribers right now. So, like, let's go ahead and get it up to 50. This is what I do. This is why my life is in shambles right now. So, basically that sums up this video. I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it up, and I hope